Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are here with the continuation of the one of the physical features of India. As we know that the physical features, the landforms of India are diverse. Last class we have learned about the Satluj basin. We are having three basins in the northern plains. That is the Satluj basin, the Ganga basin and the Brahmaputra basin. So now moving on, in the northern plains we are going to learn about the Ganga basin. Fine. The same as the Satluj. It originated from Tibet near the Mansarovar lake, and even Ganga originated in the same way. Ganga also originates from which place? From the Gangotri glacier. Fine. Then, where is the Gangotri glacier? High up in the Himalayas. From there it originates, the Ganga basin. Then, from there, when it is originated from the Gangotri, then here when it moves down, it is called as Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi or Bhagirathi. Fine, it originates from Gangotri glacier. This glacier is high up in Himalayan mountains, and from there it is known as Bhagirathi. Then, after moving down, again one more river it tributes or it diversifies, that is river Yamuna. So what it is the tributary of Ganga. Fine. It's the main tributary. Then what else moves from Ganga, and where it's located and which position? It's an important river of North India. River of North India. Fine. Then from there where it moves, and from there the Ganga moves into Allahabad. Fine. Sorry, the river Yamuna, it moves to Allahabad. There it joins Ganga again. River Yamuna, it's the tributary of Ganga. It moves to Allahabad and joins Ganga, and there it is called as the Sangam. Sangam means the meeting point. Fine. See, if at all it's your map, I'll show it in the textbook as well. So not like this. Fine. So this is the Ganga. Then here the other tributary of Ganga is the Yamuna river. This is the Ganga river. Here again it meets Here it joins. The Yamuna joins here in the Allahabad. Fine. So the where it is joining, it is called as the Sangam. So Sangam is what? Meeting point. Sangam means meeting point. Fine. See, if at all you imagine it as a India map, I am very bad about, on drawing. So then from here the Ganga flows, its tributary, the Yamuna, the meeting point at Allahabad called as Sangam. Okay, the meeting point in Hindi it is called as Sangam. Sangam means meeting point. Right in Allahabad, both the rivers meet. Then moving on, from the mountains, the Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar. Here the plain starts. Okay, this is a lower point. Here it is Haridwar. Fine. It enters Haridwar. Then again from there it flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. I'll show you the map. See, in the map, if it is visible or you have the book with you at home on 15th page, from there, from Haridwar, it moves to from here. Fine. From there, it moves to Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam. Okay, it moves on. I'll show over here. See, Uttarakhand is somewhere here. From here, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. 3 states. Okay, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, then over here Bihar, and coming here, somewhere here. Fine, West Bengal. Here comes Bihar, here Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Fine. So it don't enter Assam. I said Assam, but Assam somewhere it is here. No, it don't enter. So these states, it covers these states. It flows through. The Ganga flows through all these states towards the west. Okay. Then in West Bengal, it branches out into 2. Here, this is the West Bengal. This is the Kolkata. Here it branches into 2. Again, branches in the sense it divides into 2 rivers. One is the Hooghly or Hooghly. Fine. Hooghly, and the other is Padma river. Fine. One is a Hooghly and the other is a Padma river. And that where those rivers flow, listen, the Padma river flows through Bangladesh and joins Brahmaputra. Fine. It flows into Bangladesh. Where is Bangladesh? Here it is. Somewhere here. Fine. Somewhere in this part. So the Hooghly it flows into Bangladesh, and again Padma flows into Bangladesh and joins Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is here, from here to Bangladesh, Bangladesh to again to the Brahmaputra. Fine. Then that is the Padma river. Then coming to the Hooghly river, from where it moves, it flows into Kolkata to enter the Bay of Bengal. This is the Bay of Bengal. Fine. The the Hooghly river, it enters Kolkata and it moves into Bay of Bengal. This is about the which basin? About the Ganga basin. Fine. So these states, they are located from where it is the Sangam. The Sangam is the main point, the Allahabad, where the two rivers meet, Yamuna and Ganga. Fine. And it originates from Gangotri, that later on called, it is called as what? Gangotri is later on called as Bhagirathi. Fine. Then where is Gangotri glacier? It is on high up in the, it is from high up Himalayas. From there it is flown. Fine. Next basin, the Brahmaputra.